Trillion Parameter Consortium, or TPC, is a collaborative effort which aims to develop AI models with over a trillion parameters. As you might know, these days we have in production some 180 billion parameters or around, but this consortium is gearing towards having trillion parameters, which is huge, as you can imagine. This initiative stands out for its focus on large scale model architecture and data management, and this will be using exascale computing resources at an unbelievable scale. It also brings together expertise from various sectors, including government labs, academia, industry, to tackle the practical challenges of scalable AI development. TPC is representing a practical approach to overcome existing limitations in AI model training and data processing. Its focus seems to be on optimizing AI libraries for exascale computing and developing effective evaluation methodologies that addresses some of the key technical challenges in advancing AI applications. To be fair, I'm still not sure that at this point in time we need trillion parameter models. Maybe they will be required for artificial general intelligence. Plus, I believe one of the use cases would be that because these trillion parameter models would not be easy to train and fine tune and run. So organizations, or I think governments like US and other developed nations would be only able to run these models and fine tune, train them and manage them. That is where maybe they would be used to tackle the cybersecurity or artificial general intelligence control. I believe that these models, the trillion parameters model, should be used to ensure that AI remains trustworthy. So it should be emphasizing on developing scalable, reliable models for scientific tasks. Also, these TPC manifesto is that to create models that integrate knowledge across various scientific fields. And right now, what I'm reading on this website, which you can see on your screen, all they're talking about is about scientific field, scientific tasks, and just using these models on the science tasks in order to improve vaccine and stuff like that. So hopefully it will be used just for that, because if these trillion parameter models go out of control, we really don't know what's going to happen. So I believe that good step, but should be cautious, and there should be some government regulations around it. Very keen to hear thoughts on it. Please share them in the comments. And if you like the content, please consider subscribing to the channel. Thank you very much.